Hi and welcome to Science Desk. In this video, we shall discuss on frictional force. We will be discussing on what is frictional force, what are the various types of frictional force, factors affecting and various advantages. We will see them one by one. What is frictional force? It is a force that resists the motion of the object that are sliding or touching the surface against each other. Here you can see the object sliding over the wooden block. The frictional force here resists the motion of the object that is sliding here. Here you can see the ball is rolling along the surface. The motion of the object acts in this direction and surface friction acts in the opposite direction and enables to stop the movement of the ball. What are the various types of frictional force? Static friction. This acts on objects when they are resting on a surface. And then comes your kinetic friction. It acts on the objects that are sliding over a surface. Rolling friction. Rolling friction acts on the objects when they are rolling over a surface. Then comes your fluid friction. This friction acts on the objects that are moving through a fluid. So, moving through a fluid includes liquid and also gases. What are the various factors affecting here? The nature of the object, nature of the sliding surface, force between them. And some advantages of frictional force. It helps in walking conveniently without slipping, helps in writing on a piece of paper, helps in proper functioning of vehicles, helps in holding things comfortably. Friction between two surfaces produces heat. Any questions? Please feel free to write in the comment section. If you really like this video and find this interesting, do subscribe to Science Desk. Thank you.